Hello, this is C Sharp Lab X number 4. This is basically deals with overall exceptions. Exceptions I have done over here. Basically like 5 to 6 exceptions, mainly like overflow exception. Then we need to the main aspect in this one is like we need to create custom exceptions. Like example, like for creating custom exception, we are going to create a class. In that class, we need to inherit the exception class, and we can say that like public override string function, and that we can say get of return this thing whenever you call this exception, create a variable or call this exception, automatically this string will be returned and it will be displayed. Now there are like wrong password exception, withdraw exception, sorry, wrong password exception, display expression, withdraw exception, transfer exceeded the expression, non-implemented expression, like that. So many exceptions are there. Now this is basically a bank application, and now when we are withdrawing, when we are doing some things which are like actually cannot be actually when we are doing some mistakes, like example, if your transfer amount is less than 500 or something, like you are having only 500 minimum 500 balance. If you are trying to transfer that amount to somebody, or you are trying to withdraw it, we need to show some exception. Most probably like we need exception in programs, because otherwise the user friendliness will be reduced. Because like when you are saying we are instead of integer we are typing character in that variable, then it should throw out an exception that you are writing a character. Otherwise, like the program is going with rubbish or like garbage values, and it's showing some error, the user will not be like satisfied. And now I'll show the program over here. I'll run the code. Now this is account number A11, and I am typing. I want to type the password for first one. I want to remember the password. Second one is 12. Third one is 12. Fourth one is 12. Fifth one is 12. Sixth one. And now enter the balance amount. Now I am typing the balance as 500, and I am typing the balance as 100. Now see here. There is an exception thrown, that is the created account has an initial balance less than 500. Yes, you need a initial balance of 500. That's why it's showing your account is having less than 500. Now I am again typing 300. Again the same error will come. Now I am typing as 500 and 500 similarly. Now I am trying to withdraw. Like see, now I am trying to withdraw from the second account. Account number is AN105. From this AN105, now I'm trying to withdraw a balance of 600. Now it is a now I sorry, by mistake I have written 60. That's why it is showing 440. If I am wish to continue, yes. If I am withdrawing a balance of like 2% we withdrawing a balance of AN105 and withdrawing a balance of 600. Now you should look, the minimum balance causing to withdrawal is operation, but like it is showing an exception that you cannot take this much amount because your account balance is less. Like this like this for deposit, transfer, everything I have done the exception. Thank you.